Just wanted to keep you in the loop of our builds and our apartments and everything that we've been doing here so far. Well, I was last posted, we had a 30-day build for an apartment that we had to move into. Since then, it's been like about 45 days. We renovated that sucker. We actually hit our deadline, so everything looks good there. When I get a chance, I'll do a walkthrough of that and give you a post of the before and after. But since that time, we closed on our house, and literally I bought another junk house. And we're going to renovate this sucker, and it's going to be sort of our summer home, and then our winter home will be down in Florida. So it's a small house. It's like maybe 1,200 square feet. We're going to put another 800 square feet onto it. So I'll just give you an idea of what it looks like here. So I'm just walking by it now. This is actually the front of the house. It hasn't been lived in probably about 20 years. So that's actually the front of the house. When you drive by it, you can't even see it. So here's the front door. It's back here somewhere behind this tree. So obviously these trees have been grown over for about 15 years. So Walter found this a couple years ago, pointed it out, and I was like, nah, I ain't gonna buy that junk. But I got a good deal on it, so I was like, okay, we can now knock it out. Obviously, we're going to do all new siding, all new windows. Foundation has really bad. Obviously, you can see down here, the foundation is completely washed away. So we're going to shore that up and put all brand new cinder blocks in there. Going to jack the house up 6 inches and then set it back down again. So in here, entranceway, we got to gut this whole thing out. We're gutting the entire house right down to the studs. Kitchen in here. Again, we're going to knock out all these, gut it right down, tear it out. This wall here is going to go down. We're going to put a header in there. This wall back here, there's actually a staircase behind here. We're going to open this wall up and put the runners in there and make the staircase wider. So in here is like the, used to be the dining room. Everybody left all their junk and everything in here. So this wall here is going to be opened right up. I'm going to put a header up here, and this is going to be the bar top for the kitchen, so you can see right into the kitchen, into what would now actually be, we're going to make this the living room. So we're going to open this up here. There's another wall on this side, sort of closes it in. So right here, we're going to knock this wall down, put a header in here, and expand this into a living room, a larger living room. So this front room here, this is going to be part of the living room too. And then there's a wall here. We're going to put a header on this wall and open this wall up and put a large long header here. And this will be the dining room in here. So what was the living room will be the dining room. The master, I guess, is in here. Again, we're going to gut this out. We're going to raise the ceiling a little bit. And we're actually going to put an additional 10 feet off of the back of the house. So this is probably about a 15-20 foot run already. I'd say actually 25-foot run, and we're going to put another 10 feet off the end of this. So it'll be about 35 foot long, our master, and probably about 20 wide, and we're going to put a bath on this too. So we'll have a bathroom right off of the master. Put a lot of windows on there too. So upstairs, tiny, but that's fine because this is only going to be a summer home. Bathroom is totally destroyed like all the other places that I seem to buy. It's absolutely disgusting. So we're going to tear that out, make it bigger. This is all getting pushed back another 10 feet too. So this is probably only like 10 by 10. So it'll be a 20 by 10 foot bathroom. So it'll be really big. Stairs, super narrow. So these stairs are actually going to get pushed back another probably about another 4 feet, so it'll be nice and wide. And this wall that's enclosed here is going to be open runners, open railing, so you can look right into the kitchen. Here, there's 2 bedrooms up here, 2 tiny bedrooms. This is a Cape house. Obviously, they left all their junk here, but you got a smaller bedroom here, like very standard for a Cape. And then you got another bedroom here, sort of like a center bedroom. They call it a 4-bedroom. And then you got another bedroom off to the side here. So this is all going to be one room upstairs for Bradley because it's just me and Bradley and Julie. So it's going to be one massive upstairs floor for Bradley. We'll knock this out, put all new drywall in, clean it up, and it'll look good. So that's the project that we got right now. Got the house cheap, like 22 grand. Figured I'll put about 40 into it. you know, $65,000. It'll be a brand new house. And all the houses right on this stretch are selling anywhere between $195,000 to $230,000. So it'll be a good deal. Got 2 acres of land, big backyard, 2-car garage, a big shed over there. So just want to keep everybody in the loop of what's going on. And then we're going to move out of the other apartment. We hope to have this place done in about 3.5 months. So we're going to do brand new roof, brand new siding, brand new electrical, brand new plumbing, brand new windows, brand new foundation, you know, brand new floors, brand new cabinets, the whole new house. So the only thing we're going to keep are the beams. So that's our project for the next couple of months. And then we're still building. We got 5 more apartments left to build, and then we'll be done. So off to Florida. All right, guys, have a good one.